We are about to enter a new chapter, a new opportunity to write the story we want to live. 2025 is just around the corner, and with it comes the power of change. But let me ask you, what are you going to do differently? What are you going to transform? Remember, what got you here will not be enough to take you to the next level. It is time to be bold, to dream bigger, to challenge your limits. Life rewards those who commit, who act with courage, even when the path seems uncertain. Think about it. The greatest gift you can give yourself in this new year is the decision not to settle. Go beyond. Study, grow, invest in yourself. It is not just about achieving goals, but about becoming the person you were made to be. So, in 2025, don't wait for the perfect moment. Make it happen. You have everything you need to be the best you can be. Now is your time to make history.